Good morning, and this is my recording for May 25th. So it's currently May 26th right now, and I will record a separate video later. And the reason for that is I sleep at the sleeping quartet at my office, and my runs out, and unfortunately I didn't bring my charger with me. So I will take that in mind when I want to sleep at the sleeping quartet so that I can use my phone even though I have insufficient battery. So I will just bring a charger with me. And one of the things that I gained from that is I tried to be a down to earth person. I practice humility. So at the start of the day, I said to myself, today I'm gonna be a down to earth person. I'm gonna practice humility, and that's what I did throughout the day. There are times that I want to, join the conversation and say the things that I have achieved, things that I have accomplished, and things that I want to do. And I realized that some parts of it are unnecessary, and that seems like bragging, and I didn't manage to, or I didn't say it out loud. I managed to control myself, and that's a good thing. And other things, when I reflect on the things that I did during that day, I realized that um I think about myself that I'm not confident in doing things, but I realized that it's the opposite. Whenever I try new things, I do it a little bit skeptical, but I still do it. And once I manage to do it, I'm not really afraid of the task anymore. Once, even just once, twice would be me thinking that I can do it every day or multiple times. But yeah, that's the thing that I realized. And regarding with the humility, there are things, or there are events that I see myself that I am really down to earth. But this reflection made me realize that I do have the this reflection made me realize that I do have the character traits, and I can cultivate it so that I would be a better person moving forward.